Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Afan Carpet and Handicrafts. Tonight we have brought you a used Afan carpet. Yusufi design with Belgic wool, natural wool, with natural design, 100% Afan wool from Kunduz province, north part of Afghanistan. You can see it's not a new carpet. It's a used and about 40 years old, but it still looks new with natural colors, natural wool. The length of this carpet is about 250 centimeters and the width is about 100 centimeters. You can see the gleams in the header and footer of the carpet. It's like a runner or corridor carpet.